to my channel, and if you are new, hi, I am V and I do videos on hair and makeup reviews and tutorials. So today, for the first time in my channel, I'm gonna be including someone else in my video. So I'm gonna be featuring my boyfriend Eric, and as you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be doing his eyebrows. I don't know if a lot of you ladies take care of your man in that kind of sense, because a lot of guys don't know how to do their eyebrows. Kind of a weird thing for them to tackle. So I'm gonna be giving him a hand with his eyebrows today. Come in and join me.
Hey guys.
So this is Eric. This is my boyfriend. Welcome to my channel. This is the first person I have ever featured on my channel. This feels very weird. I normally don't feature or film in front of somebody. So we're gonna be doing your eyebrows. Are you nervous?
A little bit, but it'll be okay. You do this all the time.
All the time. We're gonna tackle this. We have a little bit of a unibrow situation going on. He's quite handsome, but we can improve this guy for the holiday season. Hopefully this will be a not painful, a painless process.
Yikes.
No tears will be shed. I'm gonna go ahead today here with my Sephora eyebrow kit. I think this one was about $22 from Sephora. So it just has like your basic necessities for doing your eyebrows. We're not gonna be using like the eyebrow brush. We're not filling his eyebrows. You're pretty thick already.
What's that do?
Which what? This is a spoolie. Brush your eyebrows first, just so they're all pretty and in line. That way they're ready to be shaped. So we can get started. Yeah, you can look wherever you want. You don't have to look like directly into the camera, because that might be kind of freaky for people if you're just staring into their souls. Like when you watch me when I sleep, right? You have a lot of hairs, I'm sorry.
I trust you.
I'm sorry if I pull out like 4 at a time, because they're all bunched up together. It's kind of hard.
It'll be okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Girls do this to themselves on purpose.
Yeah, they're going to make you beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful.
You know, I think that when they do it at the salon, you're like lying down, like a spa treatment. I'm sorry, I'm not this luxurious for you.
It's okay, Holga.
I make you into a nice, brand new man. I'm watching too much of, what's his name? Bald and Broke.
Bald and Bankrupt. Is that how he got bald?
The women
plucked all his hair?
just kept plucking his hair. I don't know if you guys watch Bald and Bankrupt. We've been watching that a lot in the morning. I don't know. I think that's where I'm like getting this like Russian vibe from. Where I'm watching too much TikTok.
That one TikTok girl is like, listen girls.
Listen, the only bags you have,
Under your eyes should be bags of money.
bags of money.
How do I look? Is it done?
Oh, sweetie, we're just getting started.
It's not that bad.
And then when you meet my grandparents, they're gonna be like,
Look at this handsome boy. Always wanted you to date a boy with 2 eyebrows. Wow.
so how you feeling so far?
I'm just hoping you don't take too much off, you know?
If we do take off a little too much, it'll probably grow back by Christmas. So if it's bad, you have time to fix it.
Oh, I'm sure I'll have to do this again next week.
This is just prep for when I actually have to cut your hair.
You know how long it's been since I've had a haircut?
It's been a while. Stay tuned for that video. That's gonna be coming as well. I'm gonna be cutting Eric's hair for the first time as well. He's just gonna be my test subject for a lot of things coming up, and I know he's so excited.
Tune in next week for how to bikini wax.
Ooh, too bad we can't go anywhere. Oh, my knees hurt.
Why do your knees hurt so much?
Guys, I'm actually just like an old woman. This is my old grandpa.
You should see her without makeup.
I look beautiful, right? Listen, actually, if you watch my channel, you would know that my subscribers, you guys have seen me without makeup, because I do makeup tutorials.
It'll have a baseline of makeup on
I don't wear any makeup. Can you believe it? He's never seen any of my videos, and he says that he's my biggest fan. Like, how does that even work? I really want to know. Beauty is pen.
Yeah, I could tell.
You just have such thick eyebrows.
Sorry.
It's like trying to go through a forest, but you have to deforest the forest, and you have to do it 1 tree at a time.
Weird analogy, but okay.
I don't know, I don't want to like rip out 5 and then you end up crying.
We don't need to cry. Kind of hurts there.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I would kiss you when I'm wearing gloss.
Sorry.
Want some lip gloss?
No, I'll pass.
Your friends are gonna see this and be like, what has this woman made of our macho man? Oh, I'm so sorry, I just clipped your skin.
Okay, that's it. We're done. We're done.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Guys, if you're watching this, don't let your girlfriends pluck your eyebrows, okay? Who you are is beautiful, but it could be better.
Don't kill me in my sleep.
I won't.
I'm not done.
Oh, you're just in the unibrow.
I don't think I said I was just doing the unibrow.
You're gonna pluck all my eyebrow?
Yeah, I'm actually gonna just like pluck your whole eyebrow and you won't even know.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, you got it. Oh, I'm so sorry. You're okay?
Yep.
You okay?
Yep. I'll be okay.
I know you want to be angry at me, but can you please not be for like 2 seconds?
This
It's
is
not
actually
actually-
full. Out here?
I think he's just being a really big baby. I think that's what it is. Oh, that's actually just nose on your hair.
Nose on my hair?
Hair on your nose. No, I thought that there was hair that I didn't brush off, but it's actually just like hair coming out of your nose.
Yeah, they're
Do you
my
want me-
nose hairs.
Do you want me to get it?
You don't like my nose hairs?
It's like coming out of your nose.
That's kind of weird. Get rid of it. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Look. That was on your nose.
Okay. Who knew?
I could shape them so much more, but I don't want to hurt you.
I think we got the unibrow.
Guys, I'm buying him dinner after this because I feel bad, so I swear I'm a good girlfriend.
The only way you could realistically do this is by bribing your boyfriend. Consider whether it's actually important enough.
I think generally food would work. If you want to do some kind of video with your boyfriend, I think food would definitely be a good spot.
It's the least you could do.
I could like rapid fire this where I just keep plucking very quickly, or I could do them slow.
Well, it's gonna hurt either way.
Oh, baby Eric.
Are we almost done?
We're almost done.
I didn't know what I was planning on.
I think this is gonna cost me part of my Christmas present. I feel like he's not gonna get me a good present now because of
This was it.
Because of this video.
Am I handsome enough yet, guys? Where do we draw the line here?
The line started with your unibrow.
Not even my fault. Like,
Did you like that roast?
a little bit. It's always just one more, by the way. How many one mores do we have?
I'll just do one more round of Overwatch. Just one more round of League, right?
I'm not that bad.
Ladies, if you know, you know. I think we've got this area. I don't want to touch, I could do the inside and shape it, but I also don't want to hurt him because I don't want him to hate me before the holidays. Oh, I think I need to get off from the floor. This hurts. We're supposed to go walking because it's a really nice day outside. I don't know, my knees feel kind of busted now.
Uh-oh.
Carry me like a baby. I guess now I'm the baby.
Well, I almost cried.
I almost cried. So we just did his unibrow. I think it's looking a lot better. I'm a terrible girlfriend and I actually managed to cut Eric right there. I'm so sorry. We had a lot of hair going on this section that we've cleaned out. We did the same thing also on here. I could have done a little bit of a cleaner job on that section, but I didn't want to hurt him more. The main focus today was doing the unibrow, which we got figured out. We might have to do a couple touch-ups before Christmas time, but I think for the most part, you know,
Looking good?
looking good. Stay tuned, I will be cutting his hair for the holidays, which is gonna be kind of exciting. I'm gonna try to do a fade, I think.
A fade?
Do you not trust me to do a fade?
I guess so. We're doing a fade, guys.
He wouldn't know how I can cut hair because he's never seen my channel. He wouldn't know what I'm capable of.
Yeah, you do fades on yourself a lot, or?
All the time. We're gonna be doing some more videos together. I think it's cool to have a little bit of something different on my channel for you guys. Is there anything you want to add? How was this experience? How do you feel?
Worth it, I guess? I don't know.
Maybe I just wanted an excuse to put you on my channel. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Again, my Instagram is v_vogue, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!
I guess. Very cute.
I can't kiss.
You can do like a little kiss without getting my lip gloss on you.
Oh, I did get a little. It's peach flavored though. It's peachy.
So good.
Oh yeah.
Alright.